Wirraji is Australia's first ocean-going electric charter boat. Exclusive tour, maximum of 12 guests, experience unlike anything else on the reef. Cruising around in almost perfect silence. After I do my safety briefing, I put the boat into reverse to back away from the jetty and announce to everyone that the boat's in gear. The loudest thing is the wake splashing behind the boat, and it's a really unique experience. We operate a tour out of Coral Bay called Coral Bay Exclusive, which is swimming with all the amazing wildlife there, and we're very lucky to have a resident population of manta rays.
You know, all the nutrients in the food gets welled up in Bateman's Bay, and that's the source that keeps them coming back and back and staying here. So we're very lucky we get them all year round.
The day starts in Exmouth pretty early in the morning. We get them up, pick them up about 7 o'clock with a bus, and we take them down to Coral Bay. We can also pick up clients in Coral Bay too, out to the boat ramp facility, greeted by the crew, jump on board and get a rundown of the day. And then we cruise out through really extensive coral gardens, and we go into what is some of the world's best snorkeling and coral coverage that you can find anywhere.
The structure, that diversity, it's just another world down there, and you can never find a place like it.
We get a spotter plane up and the plane finds us wildlife to swim with on the day. Generally speaking, that's our resident manta rays.
Swimming with manta rays, it's a very humbling experience in a lot of ways. If you're lucky enough to get a barrel rolling manta ray, it's just like absolutely magical.
You know, I still get goosebumps when I jump in the water. We don't want guests to just come on and just learn about the Ningaloo Reef. We want them to feel it.
They'll spend time in the water with some of our gentle giants, and actually experiencing that means they leave this tiny little town here on the edge of the desert and go all over the world and become ambassadors for coral reefs and wildlife. I've been doing it for 21 years now, and it never ceases to amaze me.
A highlight for me is not necessarily the wildlife, but it's helping the people, taking them out there and showing them the wildlife, and then seeing their reactions at the end of the day. That's what we do the job for. That's what we're in this industry for.